TA Python is a framework for developing Unreal Python editor tools, fully based on Epic's official Python plugin, Python Script plugin. TA Python binds Python code to the event of the Slate widgets and provides an interface for Python to communicate with the tool's Slate UI, so as to achieve bidirectional communication between Python code and the Slate widgets. In current version, 41 native widgets were supported by TA Python. Developers can create high-quality editor tools by writing Python code and a JSON file that describes the UI hierarchy, which is pretty fast and easier for editing and merging. TA Python provides a live Slate interface previewer and editing, custom menu for editor. Developers can edit the Slate JSON file using any text editor and see the modified result in editor in real time. The native Slate interface is perfect and makes the Python tools more even Unreal-like and more user-friendly. Within reloading Python code in context menu, both the UI and the logic will be hot-loaded. We no longer need to restart the editor. In addition, TA Python provides more than 200 editor API to make developing tools easier. Some of them allow developers to invoke the built-in function of Unreal Engine through Python. Some are used for editing assets by Python script. For example, create user-defined structure, data table, or more control for material expressions. If you want to extend the API yourself, add a blueprint library and add your method to it. Then you can call it from the Python console or from a button click. This website, tacolor.xyz, updates the latest TA Python news and tutorial posts, as well as something interesting. This plugin is still in development. Once finished, it will be given back to the community or Epic Market, making Python editor tools easier and more professional in Unreal Engine is TA Python and my goals and purpose. If you like this video or TA Python, leave a comment, start on GitHub and have a try. It helps me a lot. See you.